more than just words. I got more than just words. You bring me songs sweet like the birds. So I got more than just words. I got peace in my mind. I got peace in my mind. Knowing that we've got the ties that bind gives me peace in my mind. The lights are so much brighter. The colors so much deeper. I got joy in my soul. I got joy in my soul. The fact that you're half of what's making me whole puts a little joy in my soul.
The Apostle Paul said, if I speak with the tongues of men and angels, but do not have love, I am only a loud voice. If I have spiritual gifts, understand all mysteries and knowledge, if I have the faith to move mountains, without love I am nothing. If I give my possessions away and give my body in sacrifice, without love I gain nothing. Love is patient, kind, is not boastful or arrogant, is not rude, self-seeking, or irritable. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love finds no joy in evil, but rejoices in truth. It bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails. This is what the Lord called marriage to be centered upon. Far beyond emotional feelings or physical desire, marriage is to be a reflection of the love of Jesus Christ for his chosen bride.
I got more than just words. I got more than just words. You bring me songs sweet like the birds. So I got more than just words. I got peace in my mind. I got peace in my mind. Knowing that we've got the ties that bind gives me peace in my mind. The lights are so much brighter.
Levi, do you take Tori to be your wife, to live together after God's design for marriage? Will you love her by forsaking all others, for her alone, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Tori, do you take Levi to be your husband, to live together after God's design for marriage? Will you love him, forsaking all others, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
You may kiss your bride.
I got joy in my soul. I got joy in my soul. The fact that you're half of what's making me whole puts a little joy in my soul. And I got love in my heart. promise that no man can tear us apart. Puts a lot of love in my heart. The lights are so much brighter. The colors so much deeper. I got more I can give.